In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the drain valve in your water heater, shut off the power to the unit and close the water intake valve. Next, drain all of the water from the tank by using a flathead screwdriver to open the drain valve. Be aware you should open a hot water faucet in the home to assist in releasing water from the tank. Once the water is drained, use a wrench to help unthread the old drain valve by rotating it counterclockwise. This may require some effort. Install the new drain valve by threading it clockwise into the tank. Then tighten. Confirm that the new valve is fully closed. Open the water intake valve and allow the tank to refill. Then restore power to the unit, and your water heater should be ready for use.